Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me no man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, we here with Deva Bratt again. Remember, say the catalog still continues, you know. Deva Bratt again from 2009. That one I drop. Peepee neck. Boom. I never want to do that. I never want to do the reaction, you know. But I was forced it. I was forced it. I didn't do it willingly. Peepee neck is a Vybz Kartel this. So I'm just the guy who reacts. So I know in the comment section come tell me not fuck your ears right now. I'm just reacting to songs that's already out there. Alright? And I mean make a song. Go blame the DJ. Go take it up with the DJ. Yeah. Alright? So let's jump in the one and here we go on. Let's go. Fuck your start. Make it start.
Crank it up. Hey, every single bowcat fi dead. They never put a shot in on them head. Alright, well, hey. First thing him say him love the freaky girls. Yes, he's living in a freaky world. Some boy will give them mouth and tongue and teeth to girl and tell Victoria keep the secret. How we not go beat the girl? Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Hey, every single...
Hold on. Hold on, your bumper clock there for one day. Hold on. Let's see what I say first. I don't know that I read him, right? I don't know that beat, right? It's your birthday, so I know you wanna ride out. I know that song, right? Alright, I just see a beat. Let's go.
Every single bowcat fi dead.
Let's go.
Never put a shot in them head.
Alright then.
First thing him say him love the freaky girls. Yes, he's living in a freaky world. Some boy will give them mouth and tongue and teeth to girl and tell Victoria keep the secret. How we not go beat the girl? Him rest.
Oh, we not have the laughing sound effects. I want the blood clot to go on over here. First, him say him love the freaky girls. Yes? Alright, wait again.
Him say him love the freaky girls. Yes, he's living in a freaky world. Some boy will give them mouth and tongue and teeth to girl and tell Victoria keep the secret. How we not go beat the girl?
First, him say him love the freaky girl. Then him skip up and them say some boy will give them to them mouth to girls. Tell Victoria keep the secret, or else I'm gonna beat the girl. You get it? Victoria secret. Victoria, woman name. Hey girl, keep your secret, or else. That you know what I talk about. All right. Let's continue.
Some boy will give them mouth and tongue and teeth to girl and tell Victoria keep the secret. How we not go beat the girl? Him rest him lip and clit and pull it like a high grade herb. Shorty.
Deva Bratt.
Crank it up. Hey, every single bowcat fi dead. They never put a shot in on them head.
Alright then.
Well, hey. First thing him say him love the freaky girls. Yes, he's living in a freaky world. Some boy will give them mouth and tongue and teeth to girl and tell Victoria keep the secret. How we not go beat the girl? Him rest him lip and clit and pull it like a high grade herb. Shorty say him using tongue and vibrate. Him tongue.
Jamaica's
Hey, every single podcast dead. They never put a shot in our belly. Alright, well, hey. First thing him say him love the freaky girl. Yes, he's living in a freaky world. Some boy will give them mouth and tongue and teeth to girl and tell Victoria keep the secret. How him a go beat the girl? Him rest him lip and clit and pull it like a high grade. Him shorty say him use him tongue and vibrate.
Shorty say him use him tongue and vibrate her. How the blood clot? Vibrator. You get it? You not get it? Alright, I wanna go on this one, not get it.
Shorty say him use him tongue and vibrate. Him tongue broad and taller than a skyscraper. And of the art we call the eye raper.
So from them time till now, the G are different. The rape name when them put on him. The teacher put on him. From them time they him a defend that. So he must say, yo, your tongue broader than a skyscraper and taller than a skyscraper, but you have the art to call me raper.
Than a skyscraper. And of the art we call the eye raper. Move with your freaky sex freak. You too lie. Just call him peeping neck. You soon die. Yo! Every single polecat fi dead. They never put a shot in our belly.
Yo, the comment section has been telling me to react to this one for a long time. I'm gonna try hold on. I can't hold on no more. Today is Friday, man. Let's go, man. Come on.
First thing him say him love the freaky girls. Yes, he's living in a freaky world. Some boy will give them mouth and tongue and teeth to girl and tell Victoria keep the secret. I'm not gonna beat the girl. Him rest him lip and clit and pull it like a high grade. Him shorty say him use him tongue and vibrate. Him tongue broad and taller than a skyscraper. And now the art we call the eye raper. Move with your freaky sex freak. You too lie. Just call him peeping neck. You soon die. No, you bring fly to the sky. You nasty guy. Move with the freaky sex freakiness. You too lie. Just call him peeping breath. You soon die. When you squeeze it, take a death. Your brain fly, and you can't deny, so your brain's like a fly, come back long, make me bust my gun up in a compass tongue. And you can't.
Hold on. I think our next artist get a buy in another one, you know. If remember the second verse, right? Our next artist get a buy. Make go on.
So your brain's like a fly, come back long, make me bust my gun up in a compass tongue. The coal or the brass by your finger now go get numb. Before me shot them down, wind and bring the Glock them come. Coyote the eagle, them shot them big like me thumb. Batty boy, you know me no bum. Inna the war shot a ring inna your ears from me start till it come. Say you love fuck with the and come.
Oh, Lord, Lord. No matter how slow the song is, they have to put in some lyrics tonight. No matter how slow the song is, the man have to put in lyrics in his song, brother, cause he's a lyrics head.
Don't green and bring the Glock them cool. Freakiness, you too lie.
Just with your
baby breath.
You too lie.
When you squeeze it, take a death. Your brain fly, and you can't deny, so your brain's like a fly, come back long, make me bust my gun up in a compass tongue. The coal or the brass by your finger now go get numb. Before me shot them down, green and bring the Glock them come. Coyote the eagle, them shot them big like me thumb. Batty boy, you know me no bum. Inna the war shot a ring inna your ears from me start till it done.
Man say, hunchback, batty boy. Killer call him so twin. Killer Kartel, hunchback, batty boy, deform handicap. Boy, me can't diss you. I got, yo, if you know I'm react to that song from Killer, don't tell me, please. And I can react to the Kartel where he must say Killer use him tongue bore so young. Yo.
get numb before me shot them down. Greenland bring the Glock them come. Coyote the eagle them shot them big like me thumb. Batty boy you know me no bum. Inna the war shot a ring inna your ears from me start till it done. Say you love fuck titty and come. Then after that you turn round and suck you like plum.
You know they call that season breast. Yes. You say love fuck titty and come. Then after that you turn around and suck you like plum.
Say you love fuck titty and come. Then after that you turn round and suck you like plum. Me nah drink no freaky rum. You so here same I'll start deal tongue can me bust me gun.
Me nah drink no freaky rum. My vibes remember talking, street vibes remember talking. Me nah drink no freaky rum. You're so
plum. Me nah drink no freaky rum. You so here same I'll start deal tongue can me bust me gun until God comes. Squeeze it pan the devil. Blue or black blood shall run. Me beat it pan rapid and beat it random. When you see pussy your tongue random. Move with your freaky sex freak. You do lie. Just call him peeping and deep. You so lie. You bring fly to the sky high. You nasty guy Move with the freaky sex freakiness. You too lie. Just call him baby breath. You soon die. When me squeeze it take a death. Your brain fly high. And you can't deny So your brain's like a fly
See there? Wanna ask feet, you know. Remember say no ask feet, you know. Make sure say wanna ask feet. So me go know, you see me? Yes, there's plenty more. There's plenty more this song from Deva. So we are mix them. We are give you the new song them with the Gia drop. Plus we are give you the old song them where Deva was being Deva. Devastated. Devastation to the community. That's what he was. And he still is. Actually. Factually. So if it was one, they'd have a PM in a man. Actually. You know what I mean? So yeah. Big up in G. Big up yourself, Deva. So I'm going to leave the one I steal. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. If them disrespect and check say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.